water. When polishing windows, it's very important to minimize the overspray that you create in order to keep your jobs efficient so that you're not spraying material all over the frames. And it's also important to start holding the tool correctly when you first begin polishing. So first, in order to minimize the amount of overspray, there's a couple things that will really help you to do that. First of all is to keep your tool in a low speed position before you start polishing. Because otherwise, if the tool is set to high and you start polishing, you're going to throw the excess moisture that's on the pad all over the place. So keep your tool in a low speed position. The second thing you can do is to wring out the pad a little bit before you start polishing. Now generally, I like to prep the pad with some water, and oftentimes there may be water on the glass as you start to polish. So right now we have a lot of moisture on the glass and on the pad. If we were to polish directly, we'll probably start throwing the water all over the place. So what I'm going to do to minimize that is, as I place the powder and water mixture on the pad, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wring it out with my hand just a bit. I'm going to get some of the extra moisture off the pad. Place the tool onto the glass, and before you start to turn the tool on, there's still a little bit too much moisture here. So to minimize that overspray, what you can do is move your tool around, and you can see how much polishing material we have. And what I did is I spread it around a little bit. So now I've got an area prepped. I can put the tool into the middle of the window, and I can start polishing with very little overspray. The other thing to notice is that I'm working actually in the middle of the glass, because even if I do have some overspray around in this area to begin with, once the tool settles down, I won't have any overspray, and then I can move the tool up into other areas. So for example, I think we're ready to polish. We've got it on low, and when we hold the tool, it's best to hold it in your right hand, leave the switch accessible, and then so we can push the trigger switch on, it'll lock into place, and then we can switch our hands around if we need to. So for example, we'll turn it around, and we have a little bit of overspray, but not much. It's just right in this area. And as the tool begins to settle down a little bit, there's less and less overspray. And now I can switch my hands, and now I can start working in different areas of the glass. So if you follow these simple tips, you'll be able to reduce the amount of overspray when you're polishing on glass.